The Warao Indians live in the valley of the Orinoco River. Boats are the main mean of transportation for the Warao. There is not so much land in the places they inhabit. The delta of the river is mainly a swamp with mangrove forests. Despite the small population, the Warao people affected the world map. Their huts on stilts reminded the Spanish conquerors of the famous European city. So they decided to call the whole territory Venezuela, Little Venice. Not only the housing of the Indians is connected to water. In fact, they spend their whole life on water. That is why the name Warao means the boat people. Nowadays, the whole population doesn't exceed 20,000 people. They mainly inhabit the Orinoco Valley in Venezuela. Some live in the neighboring countries of Guyana and Suriname. The humidity is very high here, and many Indians suffer from tuberculosis. Moreover, at low tide, the air is filled with millions of mosquitoes. Due to constant flooding, the Warao people build their houses on special elevations, using wooden stilts or on big platforms made of tree crowns. The roof is made of canes and branches, and there are no walls in these houses. Despite the harsh conditions of survival, the Warao tribe is welcoming and friendly. Everyday work for the sake of the family doesn't leave them much time for other things. That is why there are almost no crimes in this society. It teaches them to enjoy the sun, the fish you catch, or the smile of a child. The most common things that people tend to forget in the modern, fast-moving world. Some Warao work in the tourism industry, but in general, the 21st century hasn't affected the life of the tribe.